historic and sacred city of Kolhapur is home to a famed temple dedicated to the goddesses Mahalakshmi. The Mahalakshmi temple dates back to the 7th century. The rulers of the Chalukya dynasty first built this temple. According to historical evidence, the then king had cleared the jungle to reveal the temple. There is a connection between the temple's mythology and the history of Kolhapur. According to popular belief, the three forms of Shakti, Mahakali, Mahalakshmi, and Mahasaraswati, are present in Kolhapur, as this is the most divine and prosperous place. The story goes that Lord Brahma had three sons, Ge, Lavan, and Kolasur. Ge passed away in Gaya, and Lavan passed away in Vidarbha near Lake Lonar. However, Kolasur went to Rakshalaya to destroy the demon Keshi. Kolasur won this battle and thereafter ruled this region. However, Kolasur's four sons wreaked havoc on the people and tortured them, which led to Lord Shankar killing them in retaliation. Upon hearing the news of his sons' deaths, Kolasur, who was living as an ascetic in the forest, returned. He prayed to goddess Mahalakshmi and asked her to leave his region for 100 years. She granted him this boon and left the region. In those 100 years, Kolasur repeated his son's actions, causing pain to the people. All the gods appealed to goddess Mahalakshmi to put an end to Kolasur's troubles. After 100 years had passed, there was a great battle between the gods and the Kolasur. Impressed with Kolasur's fighting skills, Lord Shankar granted him a boon. Kolasur wished to be killed by goddess Mahalakshmi in her avatar with 18 hands. After the fulfillment of this wish, Kolasur asked for three dying wishes. Firstly, he wanted the Rakshalaya region to be named after him. Secondly, Kolhapur should become a holy place. And lastly, he should be offered a pumpkin every year. Accordingly, Kolhapur was named after him and is one of the holiest places. Every year on Ashwin Shuddha Panchami, a pumpkin is offered. The pumpkin represents Kolasur. The temple has 7 main portions. The main temple houses a sanctum of goddess Mahalakshmi. Other gods have separate shrines dedicated to them. It's believed that the sun's rays fall directly on the main idol twice a year. Goddess Mahalakshmi's idol, made of black stone, holds a citrus fruit, the mace of Lord Vishnu, a shield, and a bowl in her 4 hands.